This is the last moment to make dandelion syrup. Although this plant is treated as a weed, it is worth knowing that it has wonderful medicinal properties. Dandelion syrup is tasty and has anti-inflammatory and antiviral properties. It is often used for sore throat and cough. When harvesting dandelions, it is important to remember that they are deceptively similar to milkweed. Both dandelions and milkweed have yellow flowers. You can distinguish them by the structure of the stem. Dandelions have one or several leafless stems that end in a flower head. Do not pick plants that grow near roads or factories. To prepare the syrup, only the flower heads are needed. They should be collected when they are open, preferably on a sunny day. The most valuable flowers are those that bloom in May. Next, spread the flowers on a cardboard box. They should lie in the sun so that the bugs can come out. In the picture, you can see black bugs coming out of the flowers. We don't want them in our syrup, so leave the flowers on the cardboard for about an hour and then bring them to the kitchen. Then transfer them to a large pot. To make the syrup, you will need 2 lemons and 1 kilogram of sugar. Regular white sugar is fine. We need about 200 flower heads to prepare the syrup, but the more we gather, the better. Pour 1 liter of water over the flowers. Crush the flowers by hand so they get wet and are submerged under the water. Place the pot on the stove and bring the water to a boil. Then stir with a spoon and leave covered for 15 minutes while continuing to boil the water. After that, leave the mixture overnight. After 12 hours, strain the flowers and pour the water into a smaller pot. Add 1 kilogram of sugar and lemon juice. Remember to remove the seeds from the squeezed lemon juice. Place the pot on the stove and boil on low heat. Keep stirring until the sugar dissolves. Cook until the mixture resembles thick honey. Pour the hot syrup into a sterilized jar, seal, and turn it upside down. This way, the syrup will seal itself. Store the syrup in a dark place. It can be stored for many months. How to take the syrup? 2 tablespoons per day are enough. Dandelion syrup is a treasure trove of vitamins and minerals. It strengthens the immune system, has antiviral and antibacterial properties, supports the digestive system, and helps treat the kidneys. It was a staple in our grandmother's medicine cabinets. It is worth having it at home, especially since it costs only a few pennies to make.